Oh my goodness.
I woke up in the middle of the night. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a bathroom storage organization makeover. I've recently moved into this partially renovated 1970s apartment. This apartment is 2-bed, 1-bath with a lock-up garage, and besides the closet space in each of the bedrooms, they each have a built-in wardrobe. This is the only built-in storage in the apartment. There's no other linen closet or anything like that, so this is it. Now when we moved in, I just put everything randomly that was bathroom and laundry related. This bathroom is combined with a laundry. So when we moved in, I just threw everything that was bathroom and laundry related into this closet. So when it came time to organize it, I had to start with taking everything out to give it a nice clean down and just start fresh from scratch. Oh my goodness. That is some sorting out. Removing everything from the bathroom and having it all in one area where I could see absolutely everything all at once was perfect to be able to not only do a stock take of exactly what I had, but to break it up into categories so that I could come up with a really good way of storing it.
When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming.
So basically what I'm doing here is I'm trying to organize it into categories so I can sort it out and then store it in a container that suits the categories. And then I'm not buying anything else until it's all used up, because this is a ridiculous amount of stuff and some of it I've just had for ages. But I'm just going to use it up until it's used up.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the...
I like it a lot.
It's just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm managing at midnight. So hard to please.
So here you can see the finished product. I absolutely love these white IKEA Variera tubs. I used 3 different types of IKEA storage tubs in this organizing project. I love that particular type of white plastic storage tub from IKEA because it is super sturdy, it's extremely affordable, they are incredibly long lasting, and because it's that similar style of white plastic, it's completely interchangeable. So you can use items from any of the 3 storage ranges and they all complement each other and they mix and match. Now, as well as loving how it looks and how it is aesthetically, I also love how it functions, just being able to see at a glance everything that we've got at once. I'm also actually really loving having only 1 bathroom because things aren't split up. I don't need to have duplicates in 2 different bathrooms of everything, so it is really handy at minimizing the amount of stuff we have. Now, if you don't have a Cricut machine or you aren't interested in getting one, there's loads of other options for labeling if you are interested. I've got these little labels from Kmart which are super affordable and they're a great way to clip on over the edge of any kind of bins or baskets. As you might notice, I did not finish making the labels before I ran out of the gold vinyl, so I'll have to stop into my local Cricut supply store and pick up some more to finish this project. This is the other half of the IKEA Veskin storage unit that I used in my under the kitchen sink organizing video that I posted last week. Since I had the Cricut machine out and I was becoming a little bit more confident in how to use it, I decided to make some extra labels. I did make the rookie mistake of choosing a really thin font for the bathroom labels. That was it was an exercise that tested my patience, let me tell you. I had to spend about 3 days. Well, I spread the project out over 3 days because the time it took to get the labels made, get them transferred onto the containers, it was a very, very fiddly process. So if you are a beginner, choose a thicker font at least to start with. But since I was in my practice mode, I decided to make a few more labels for things around the house. I definitely am getting the hang of my little Cricut Joy machine. This video is not sponsored, but the machine was gifted to me by Cricut to have a test and try and share with you guys if I liked it. To be honest, the thought of using it was more overwhelming than it actually ended up being. Once you get the hang of it, it is very easy to use, and I think it's going to be very addictive.
Waiting for a moment to step in, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
So guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and organizing my bathroom. I still have a few more storage areas in the bathroom to organize. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Hang out and watch another few videos. I'll leave some linked in the description that I think you'll enjoy. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
Ooh, na, na, na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me, but I know that you need it all. Ooh, na, na, na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know.